Hey guys, Kelsey here for Wolf Industries with the much anticipated Model L interior video shoot. You've seen it built in the factory, you've seen it delivered and placed, and here we are ready to go with our finished Model L, starting on our 5x12 covered front entry. How beautiful is this? What a great porch to sit out on, have coffee, tea, just welcome to your home. Here we go. We're gonna head on inside to the Model L. Again, a 2-bed, 2-bath, 980 square foot unit. Let's head inside. Okay, welcome into our Model L. Again, a 2-bed, 2-bath, 980 square foot home where we enter into a nice big open space that can be used in multiple ways. You could start with a dining room on that end into a living room with a TV wall. You could switch it up and have that be your entry into your living room with a TV in the corner into a dining room. So many options because it's a big open great room space with lots of windows for lots of light. Into our kitchen, a nice big open Model L with probably the most cabinets we offer for storage, starting with the island. Look at how big this island is. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drawers just in the island alone. Lots of storage, big open prep space, the biggest one we offer. Over into the wraparound kitchen where we've got upgraded cabinets. These are the light dove gray with a standard countertop, an upgrade drop-in sink. This is the 2-bowl option. We didn't do a backsplash, but we put a nice trim piece here to protect that drywall. Wrap around to our appliances. We've got the dishwasher, a micro hood. A range is gonna go here, provided later by the homeowner. Into pantry cabinet. Look at that guy. That's amazing. And upgraded cabinets have soft close hinges. Fridge. Over into the overhang seating on the island. Again, look at how big this island is. You could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seats. And with this size of island, you don't necessarily need a dining room table. That could all be a big living room space. Now, off of the kitchen, we have our utility / mudroom, which offers a back exit door, rear door. We've got a little patio off of this one here to their rear yard, but also where your washer and dryer go. So there's a couple options. If you've checked out the Model L floor plan, this might be a stacked washer and dryer with a water heater. In this case, they chose to go side-by-side washer and dryer and add some above cabinet storage, again, just to modify the space, to maximize the space for storage. You've got the height, might as well put cabinets in it. Okay, heading out into the bedrooms now. Again, a 2-bed, 2-bath. We're gonna start with our second bedroom, and it's in its own little nook, nice and private, which a suggestion might be you could put a barn door here to even give it more privacy. So again, second bathroom, second bedroom in its own space. We come into our bathroom, standard bathroom that we've always seen in our videos, 5 feet wide for your tub or shower. They've gone with the tub shower option. They're gonna add a curtain here. You could always add a glass sliding door if you wanted to. Our standard vanity, standard countertop, white, frost white. Heading into the second bedroom that is a really nice open space. You have lots of wall options for your bed, your nightstand, your dresser, and a great front window for natural light, along with a full-size closet. So take a look at this. We've got shelf and rod that run all the way across. And if you haven't come for a tour, you probably don't know this, but all of your paint ships with the house. So you have all that extra paint for future projects to match to the colors of this house. Heading over to the main bedroom through our nice open living room kitchen area, we've got lots of options for layouts in this bedroom with usable wall space. We could do a king, a queen, side tables, dressers, you name it. It's all able to be laid out in this bedroom, along with 2 nice windows that add lots of natural light. They could also be used as a headboard in this space. Checking out our walk-in closet over here, big open space. We've got wrap-around shelf and rod that follows the whole width of the closet over to our water heater, which if you recall in the floor plan, over in that mud utility room, the floor plan shows a stacked washer and dryer with the water heater. In this case, they wanted to have a side-by-side washer and dryer, which means you gotta find a space for the water heater, and here it is in this closet. Lots of ways to modify a Wolf home. Looking down, we have our crawl space access. Again, if you haven't come for a tour, you really need to, because the crawl space is how we get to those utilities down in the floor. Once we're on a foundation, you gotta have a way to get to those, and you would do it through one of the closet access spaces. Over to our ensuite bathroom. If you remember, the second bathroom down the hall had the tub shower. This one has a walk-in shower. Both are standard options. This one added the glass sliding doors and a couple grab bars for safety, which can go anywhere in the house. We've got our standard white shaker vanity, standard frost white countertop, and that's our ensuite. So wrapping up the video, we are going to review the Model L one more time. 2 bed, 2 bath, 980 square foot, out to our nice open great room. Now be sure to keep an eye out for a future video of our exterior work. Once we've got final and the grass is growing, keep an eye out for that. In the meantime, like, subscribe, comment below, visit our website for a phone consult factory tour. We look forward to meeting you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.